Hi everyone, welcome back. In my last video, I had discussed about the concept of development, how it is different from the terms like progress, growth. In this video, we'll be discussing about the liberal and the socialist conceptions about development. Now, development is directional, cumulative, and irreversible. When we discuss the concepts of development, they broadly fall under two categories, the liberal and the socialist view. The liberal view covers the modernization theories, and this is further divided under three categories. One is the economic aspect, the political, and the social aspect. The socialist view covers all the theories of underdevelopment. Now, when we discuss it under the liberal view, there is a very important term of life chances. That is the equal opportunity. Every person has the equal opportunity of doing whatever they think like. Now, there are indicators of life chances. First is the life expectancy, the death rate, infant mortality, and the literacy. Together, all these four form the PQLI, that is the physical quality of life index. Development basically has four characteristics: differentiation, equality, capacity, democracy, and nation state. Now, development and modernization goes hand in hand. So there are the variables that affect modernization are the traditional base of a society, what time a thing has developed, under whose leadership certain decisions have been taken, and is that society facing any crisis? Next, we come down to operational indicators. Aristotle was the first person who talked of human good on the concept of development. And it was in 1993 that Alexander has given the features of development which fall under different subdivisions. Under the economic characteristics, we include per capita income, structural transformation, urbanization, capital formation, education. Under the welfare characteristics, we include the basic needs of individuals, the physical quality of life index, the human development index, demographic features, differentiation, and modernization. The political indicators include these three: integration, political modernization, and participation. Now, political modernization is a very important concept. Then, apart from these aspects, there are other indicators which are suggested by the other development agencies like the ILO, United Nations, the OECD, World Bank. So, in short, development refers to the provision of opportunities for a full life for all human beings, each having a right to livelihood, health, education, environmental protection, etc. With this, we come to an end of this video. In my next videos, we'll be discussing about the theory of Rousseau. Thank you.